What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we got to go over Cardano today because Cardano has so much going on the fundamental side. So I'm not going to go over the technicals too much over here, only going to go over the fundamentals. So as you can see, we just now came out of this downtrend here in Cardano, and we broke out at this support here at $1.32 all the way down, and we touched $1.29. So hopefully we don't go down any lower. But I'm not going to really do the technicals right now. We're going to do all the fundamentals. So anyways, as you can see here with Cardano, $1.30 now. This hasn't updated yet, but yeah, at $1.30, 42.5 billion in market cap. So still doing good here in Cardano, but we have some big news going on in Cardano. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Alonzo hard fork that we have going on here. So they can begin the countdown, they say, with the hard fork. So yeah, the hard fork is coming very soon here. So right here it says Cardano has been one of the ecosystem's most prominent projects of late, with its progress pushing some to draw a comparison with the likes of Ethereum. You know, people have been talking about how Cardano is going to overthrow Ethereum. Now, I wouldn't say it's going to overthrow it, but it's definitely going to compete right hand in hand with Ethereum. So it's going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano in that order right there. So yeah, Cardano is about to leave this rank 5 right here inside of the coin market cap and end up being number 3 eventually. And I definitely believe that's going to happen sooner rather than later. So anyways, a look at the two-part of changes with Cardano. So remember the whole Alonzo thing that we have going on here. If you don't, then do your research on Cardano. But right now we're going to talk about the new updates that we have with Alonzo. Okay, so let's keep reading here. Right now it is in the Gojin era, well set to add smart contract functionalities via Alonzo. However, it would seem that the Alonzo might have to wait at least for some time. And remember, the Alonzo hard fork is Cardano's version of, you know, how Ethereum has the London hard fork. They have the EIP 1559. Ours is the Alonzo hard fork, and that's their whole update that they're doing right now. So anyways, it says, according to Charles Hawkinson, the Alonzo update on the mainnet is still a few weeks from now. So in revealing so, the exec also shared two-part changes that will take place on the network. So right here he said, now the hard fork combinator event is strictly about getting Alonzo capabilities to the node, and meaning that if the Plutus code was submitted, you would be able to execute those transactions to be valid. Then he also said, so the first part is what the hard fork is required for. Everything else is software. Basically, you write stuff and it compiles down and runs in Plutus core. And he continued on saying, we've already started that integration process, and it usually takes about 1 to 2 weeks when you have a new node, a new wallet for those pieces to fit together. So when that occurs, at that point, as long as we're comfortable with that design and those ledger rules, we can begin the countdown to a hard fork process. And that's pretty much what he said for the hard fork event. So this is about to come very soon. He said a few weeks, so we're gonna have to wait a few more weeks. Anyways, the latest Alonzo update came at an interesting time for the community of late, coupled with ADA's lukewarm price action. Some have started to question the project's credentials. In fact, quite a few have also been taking pot shots, they say. I don't know why they say pot shots at Hawkinson's, predicting that there will be hundreds of assets on Cardano along with thousands of decentralized apps. So talking about decentralized apps, we have another decentralized app that's coming out here. So what we need to talk about here is this whole thing with Cardano's first decentralized exchange raising $1.5 million. So that's a lot of money that they raised, and it is right here, Cardax, and they have this whole Twitter post here talking about the Cardano community. So yeah, this is the DEX that they're talking about, and they are developing the first DEX on top of the Cardano smart chain. Cardano could be gearing up for an 800% rally, it says crypto analysis. So that's what they're saying. I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice, but this is what they're saying, 800% rally. This could potentially be coming very soon. You know, whenever Bitcoin hits 100K, I could definitely see Cardano touching $100. So whenever that comes in, I'll definitely be watching out for that. But anyways, it says over here, popular crypto analysis says Cardano may witness another major rally this year if 2 critical support levels hold. So 2 critical support levels they're talking about. So let's see what the critical support is. So right here, in order for Cardano to form a solid bottom, he says that it has to break 3,500 Satoshi level, which is about $1.45 at the time. So it has to break about $1.45. Okay. So then after that, we will go up 800%, they say. So that's what they're saying. They're really bullish on it. I'm pretty bullish on Cardano too. So I definitely believe we could do that. You know, we were already like $2. So come on, we can break $1.45 easily. But anyways, that's just my personal opinion with that. So let's move on to our next thing with Cardano. So Cardano launches connector for dApps integration. So we already kind of went over this a little bit previously, but I'm going to go over this again. So anyways, a Yori, that's what they call it, Yoroi, however you pronounce this wallet, Yoroi wallet is a dApp connector which will allow interactions between users and blockchain-based dApps on the Cardano blockchain. So we are excited for you to read our new blog, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, now you can connect these wallets to the dApp connector. So pretty good news here with that. And then here is their Twitter here. And they have 30,000 followers. So I guess that means that they're solidified on Twitter, right? So this is the whole Yori wallet here. So anyways, what I really wanted to talk about today, so I had to get through all that because those were big updates. We had to get to the status update, the main thing of all things. So anyways, let's read through this. So the data list, they have these weird names for everything. So the data list, that's what this is. That's what we're going to call it. So that's how I'm going to pronounce it. This week, the team resumed working on the Electron upgrade, maintaining, and this is what them talking about the whole status update, where the Cardano team is at right now. So anyways, maintaining the application window size in its position after the data list relaunch. They investigated issues related to the detailed earned rewards history feature and finalized implementation of a warning notification when making transactions with not enough funds to redeem rewards or move native tokens in the wallet. I definitely got to zoom in here because this is like really small writing here. All right, that's much better here. All right, now we have the Adricitia, as they call it. This week, the team made good progress in Alonzo Plutus related changes. Specifically, they released the GraphQL 5.0, the Rosetta 1.30, then the Explorer app, and the team is also preparing to release a wallet update to enable compatibility with Alonzo Node 1.28, and they are working on streamlining Cardano wallet transaction APIs to enable Plutus application backend integration. So finally, they are working on several changes required for smart contracts, collateral, script witnesses, and etc. So now their networking updates. This week, the Cardano team worked on property tests and adjusted the connection manager test, which resulted in the discovery and resolution of some issues. So the team also reconstructed P2P to non-P2P switch for better clarity and easier maintenance of the data diffusion API. The DevOps this week, the team updated the Explorer. We already went over that. So yeah, lots of updates going on inside of Cardano. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.